Sweetie, Mummy wants to talk to you about something really, really important, okay?
Yes,
Okay.
Mum.
Good girl. Right, so there are different parts of the body, like your eyes, your nose, your head. Do you want to mention some?
Yes, Mum.
Go on.
Your chair,
Mm-hmm.
your legs,
Yeah,
your toes.
exactly. And some parts of your body, it's fine for people to touch, like your hands, and I can tickle your feet, and I can tickle you at the back. But there are some parts of the body that people should never, ever, ever touch. Do you know what parts those are?
No, Mum.
Okay. It's your mouth. People really shouldn't be touching your mouth. Mummy, daddy, nana sometimes can give you a kiss, a peck. But people you don't know and people that you're not close to shouldn't be touching your mouth. Your chest. Nobody should be touching your chest. Okay? Your bottom and the other part between your legs. The parts that your pants covers, it's your private part. Okay? Nobody should touch your private parts. It's your body, it belongs to you, and nobody should touch you there. Okay?
Yes, Mum.
Right. There's good touch and there's bad touch. Good touch is like I was just tickling you, wasn't I? And how did that feel?
Mum. Good.
Exactly. But bad touch is if somebody punches you or hurts you or tries to touch anywhere that's your private parts. Yeah, that's bad touch. And if anybody does try to do that, you tell Mummy.
Yes, Mum.
You run away, you scream, you shout, and you say to them, no, that's my body and no one's allowed to touch me there because it's my private parts. Should we practice that?
If somebody tries to touch your body, you scream, you shout, you tell them to stop, and you run to tell your mum.
Good girl. Well done. Do you know the difference between good secrets and bad secrets?
Yes, Mum.
Really? Tell me, what do you know about good secrets and bad secrets? What's a good secret?
Like telling them it's a surprise, a good gift, and a surprise like for your birthday.
Oh, wow.
And they'll feel joy to their heart and feel so happy.
Oh my God, that's amazing! And tell me, what's a bad secret?
A bad secret is like if you wanted to make a bad secret and you wanted them to like hide like a joker thing to pop in and they'll feel scared and they'll start crying.
You're so right, Zoe. You've given beautiful examples of good secrets and bad secrets. And I'm just going to add to what you already know. Like you said, a good secret is like if you want to buy Mummy a gift for Christmas and you don't want Mummy to know the gift you want to buy, you're allowed to keep that a secret from me because it's a good secret, it's a gift. But if somebody tries to do something naughty to you and says to you, this is our secret, don't tell Mummy, don't tell Daddy, don't tell anybody, that's a bad secret. Any secret that makes you feel very sad that you have to keep that secret, it's not a good secret. And you can tell me. Okay, sweetie?
Yes, Mum.
High five. Do you understand everything I've said?
Yes,
Give
Mum.
Mummy a hug. I want to make sure that you're protected, even when you're at school, when you go out, even when you go to stay at Nana's. I want to know that you know what's right and what's wrong. And you have every right to say no. Okay? Give Mummy a kiss. Albert Einstein once said, that the world is a dangerous place, not because of those who do evil, but because of those who choose to sit back and do nothing. I would like to ask you today, are you doing enough to safeguard your children? Are you doing enough to safeguard those children in your care? Children are vulnerable and need responsible adults to act as advocates for them. Are you an advocate for your child? Have you educated your child about their bodies? Does your child know that it's wrong for anybody to force them or persuade them to take part in sexual activities? And don't tell me that a 4-year-old should not be having such discussions with their parents, because I tell you that abuse starts from as young as babies. Those who abuse children have no respect for age, gender. They just abuse children. So it's your responsibility as a parent to make sure that you've empowered your child, you've educated your child, and you've taught your child what's right and what's wrong. Be empowered and take control. Talk to your children. Create that atmosphere that makes your child feel safe to come and talk to you if ever they've been accosted by a perpetrator or an abuser. It's time to stop the silence on child sexual abuse. Did you know that 1 in 20 children in the UK have been a victim of child sexual abuse? Did you know 90% of children in the UK have been abused by people that they know, people that they trust? Let's stop being so trusting and start empowering our children.